Today I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough. We've got the base cabinets installed, so we've got a mudroom cabinet that's going to be going here. But what I worked on here was just getting all the base cabinets in. This is the laundry room, so that we can get the countertops templated. So there's the laundry room. We got the sink, a couple drawers. It's going to have drawers under the sink too. And over in here, the master bedroom, doing a lime wash there. That looks pretty sweet. We've got some mirrors going on that wall. And then in here, we have the master ensuite. We've got the floating vanity here. It's ready for countertops. It's going to be two sinks there. Two drawers, sink, drawers, sink, drawers. And we'll head out here. It's got a really cool arch up here. Let the light in. Bed goes right where I was standing. And we walk through the foyer here. And you can go upstairs to the kids' room there. This is the view out to the lake. Be a fireplace going right here. We've got a stove. We'll vent up through into there. Down here we have the island and kitchen, which has a dishwasher going there, sink, range is down there. But this has a really cool window here, pass-through window. Out to the barbecue, that's pretty nice. Got the lake out there, nice big deck. Close this back up. And then through here we go into where the fridges will go. There's two built-in fridges there. We have a microwave and an oven going on top, a pantry on top, a couple drawers. And we come into the butler pantry. There's going to be a coffee bar there, recycle, sink, dishwasher, a bunch of drawers. This would be the butler pantry. Off the kitchen, a couple of nice windows to the outside. Make your coffee in the morning. And out there to the kitchen. We have a storage room here that we're going to be putting some shelves in. And I believe that goes back to the office. I don't have anything there. Just some nice cabinets. Looking out onto the lake out here. And then we can walk down the stairs to the rec room. And down here we have the beverage area, I guess we could call it. There's going to be a sink in the middle, a nice tall fridge there, and then we're going to have some floating shelves up there. So all the base cabinets are in, and then we're just going to be working on these. This is where the ping pong table goes, then out to the lake. And we just go back up and we have a guest suite that we're working on. It's down on the other side, so I'll do that on a different video. That's what we get when we come upstairs. Let me know what you think.